In today's video, I want to talk about the economics and what is happening in the shift of our market in 2026. This is a big year, I believe, because in 2025, listings hit record lows that we haven't seen in nearly 3.5 decades. That's 35 years. And so as we enter 2026, what we are seeing is a shift in interest rates where home buyers that have an interest rate of 6% or greater finally exceeds those who have an interest rate of under 3% from the pandemic interest rates. So with that being said, more home buyers are willing to tiptoe into the market as interest rates have lowered into the high 5 ranges. They're currently at over 6%. The market still remains bumpy as home buyers are navigating through the market and interest rates do possess macroeconomic volatility. What do I mean by that? Well, when you have things like the Iranian conflict that comes and suddenly interest rates go up 0.5% in less than 2 weeks, that is definitely market volatility. So how does a home buyer rate proof themselves? Look to buy their home, to get an offer under contract, and then work with your lender to solidify your interest rate at a payment that feels most comfortable for you and get that rate locked in. And then from there, you're looking to get into the market soon, because as the market ramps up into May, June, and July, it's just going to get more competition. As more home buyers get into the marketplace, there might be some more homes on the market, maybe 10, 11% more homes than right now. However, there will be more buyers entering the market. And that proved true for Mike and myself, who went and sold a home in February. We found like a sweet spot. It was a little bit warmer a couple weeks in February, so we quickly got our home staged and listed it and sold it the same day that we listed it on market. So it was like you have these little niche-y windows. And so talk to your real estate agents, you know what's best in terms of the market, and you hear in terms of what is a sweet spot to list homes, especially in your particular market. And we're seeing across the United States that the Midwest and the Eastern market is doing significantly better than markets like the West and the South that's a little softer. So now is a great time to get into the marketplace, as 2026 is more of a rebalancing and more of an even, becoming more of an even market. I think it's going to take into 2027 and 2028 for it to really become more of an even marketplace. However, it's pretty exciting to see that more sellers are wanting to sell their homes, and they are done with waiting, quite frankly, from the pre-pandemic levels. So it'll be exciting to see, and to see what the market brings us this year. This is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions.